Are you guys looking for online coaching of CSI and NET GATE, JEST, TIFR, Physics? But you have many doubts. You are confused which coaching is best for you. So don't worry, we are here. So good news guys, we are going to start our new batch of CSI and NET GATE Physics 2021 from 21st December 2020. So registration link is open now. You can register anytime. And this is your team, okay, and this is our team. We have 5 instructors and they are best in their field. Apart from me, as you know, myself Ankita Rajput, and I'm NET and GATE qualified and MTech from IIT Delhi. And apart from me, we have Mr. Milind Patwardhan, and he has 15 plus years of teaching experience, and he is very experienced in his field. And Dr. Amritpal Singh, he did PhD from University of Pisa, Italy, and he is currently teaching in a very reputed institute. And Mr. Sandeep Vadai, he is a PhD holder and also NET and GATE qualified and very talented. And Miss Monica Srivastav, she is a rank holder in NET examination and also GATE qualified, and currently she is doing her PhD from NIT Jaipur. Okay, so this is your team, and they are very passionate to share their knowledge with you. So guys, this is about fees and some other details. So total fee for this course is rupees 15,000, and it's a 4-month course, 4-month complete course. And registration charges are free, absolutely free. There is no charge for registration, so you can register. And if you want to pay the whole fee, so it is 15,000 rupees. Okay, so it is a one-time payment. And if you want to pay this fee or deposit this fee in installments, in 2 installments, so you have to pay rupees 8,500, okay, in first month and in second month. Okay, and in case of 3 installments, rupees 6,000 in first, second and third month. Okay, and if you want to take classes for particular paper, so the fees will be rupees 2,500 only. Okay, so we will start our batch from 4th week of December, as you know, from 21st December 2020, and number of classes in a week, so we will have a schedule of 5 days per week classes. Okay, your Saturday, Sunday or some other 2 days will be off, and the completion month will be April. Okay, we will complete your syllabus in April, because so that you can get sufficient time to revise and clear your doubts. Okay, and so the course duration is 4 months. So in this course, apart from the classes, we will provide you the study material soft copy and also recorded videos of the classes for your revision point of view. And related to each topic, we will provide you the regular assignments and also test series. Okay, online test series. We have a feature on our websites where you can take quizzes. Okay, so and 5 quizzes for each paper, and there will be a full length online test also. Okay, and we will provide you some other recorded videos which are available on our website. And very important thing, we will provide you the short and quick notes, and these notes will be very beneficial for you for the last time preparation. Okay, and as you know, we have 4 to 5 educators, and they all are IITians and NET and GATE qualified candidates. So our institute is basically provides the best quality education for these examinations, CSI, NET, GATE, JEST, TIFR and IIT-JEE exams. Okay, so you can register, and welcome to 4Pi Academy family. So if you want to register, I will provide the link in the description box, or you can visit our website, that is www.4piacademy.com, and in this section NET classes, you can just click on this CSI and NET GATE Physics online classes 2021, and on this page you can get all the information regarding this. Okay, as we have discussed. And yeah, and this is your form. Here you need to provide your name, phone number and email address only, and you can register. Okay, and after registration we can start the further procedure. Okay, and for reference point of view, you can visit this video and other videos also, which are available on our YouTube channel and also on our website. Okay, so yes, so you can see we have so many things. We have CSIR net gate, differ gist, papers and answer keys. In material section we have books and these quick notes, sample papers, and all the important topics of these different papers. And in course you have different courses. Okay, some courses are free and very few are paid. Okay, so you can also register for these courses, and we have these quizzes, courses by our different instructors. Okay, so you can explore more on our website. Okay, so in case of any query, any doubt, guys, you can just get back to us. Okay, so thank you everyone.